Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2024. About 65 degrees. Georgia Highway 53. I-85 is behind us. We got off at I-85. We're going to take Georgia 53 over to Buford Highway, Georgia 13. And then we are going to turn left and go down to Buford, Sugar Hill. We'll get us something to eat on the way. We're going to Atlanta Speed Shop to pick up the instrument cluster for the van. Awfully difficult to get this mirror mount right. What's it, 53, 211, there's construction. There's construction everywhere, all over Georgia. Doesn't matter where you go. Georgia 53. If you go back behind us, it'll go through Brazelton, Hushton, Winder, over to Watkinsville, dead end. If you go straight ahead, you go through Oakwood, Gainesville, Dawsonville, Tate, Jasper, Calhoun, left here, that'll take you back over to 211. Entering Hall County. Up here. I wonder if they have breakfast in the mornings. We'll check them out. full breakfast, they'll usually have a sausage biscuit. But if they have a full breakfast, it is a good deal. It's, you know, about $6, but you've got 4 or 5 different meats to choose from. Usually eggs, grits, cheese grits, gravy biscuit, whatever you want. Coming up on Road Atlanta. Got this 4-lane all the way through. And 211 goes to the right here and goes up dead ends into Belmont. Is that where we were yesterday? Now see, we could turn left here and then go down and turn right on God, it just escaped me. Whatever I said a while ago. Friendship. But like I said, we've got plenty of time, so we're going to go all the way over to Buford Highway, catch Buford Highway down. Church school. There's a church up here. Is that part of the church or what is it? I couldn't see from that sign. I bet it's part of that church. It's a big church. I'm going to have a lot of members, which is good. And there's a church school up here too. I don't know if it's the same or not. How quick are we going to get the light here? A lot of U-turning. Got a feeling they're headed back to that school. This video is already 10 minutes long. We probably got another 10 minutes. Well, we'll stop it at the Ingalls though, and then pick it back up. So we've been about 120 miles since we did the plugs, rotary button, distributor cap, and probably another 50 since we did the radiator, power steering pump, and transmission fluid change. Okay, let's work our way over because this Ingalls is going to be up here. All of this, and you can't tell because the people across from you want to turn. You can't tell when there's people and when there's not. We're about to shoot the gap. Traffic. Georgia, North Georgia. Georgia's full. $7:15. Ingalls opens at 7. We'll see if we have breakfast. I have a feeling this one doesn't, but we'll find out shortly. Okay, coming out of the Ingalls on Georgia Highway 53, we had to wait for the light to change down at the Kroger. Then we're going to pull out here. I think we're going to be able to get going here shortly. Traffic is crazy both ways. I don't know if we'll add this one to the other one or whether we'll make this a separate one. We'll have it where we can. So this is Wednesday, the 10th of September 2024, 7:35, high 60s, Georgia Highway 53, north of 85, going towards Gainesville, Oakwood. We're going to turn left on Buford Highway and take Buford Highway rather than take 985 or McKever, which is what, Peachtree Industrial. Again, we're on our way to Atlanta speedometer to get to our instrument cluster for the van. They open at 9. We knew we were going to be early, but that's what we do. I didn't see a sign for gas at Kroger there. We got gas yesterday for, what was it, $2.78.9, so it's $2.79. Slightly over the speed limit, right at 50 miles an hour, and people are pushing, of course. North Highway up here. Georgia Highway 13. Let's see if we have some signs. Signage has gotten very poor. Oakwood city limits, as GPS has gotten better. Okay, somebody jumped over and cut us off. We want to get in the left lane because it's going to be the next red light, I think. Let's go ahead and turn this off. We'll add this one to the other one, and this will be a wrap, and we'll start the other one, Buford Highway down south, Buford Highway south from 53 to Buford.